Good morning, students. Today we'll start new chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Part of flower. First we will see the part of flower. Anther, and this is filament, stigma, styri, and ovary. Ovary, stigma, styli. These three are female reproductive part, whereas anther and filament are male reproductive part. In ovary, ovule is there, is septal just outside of that. This is petal, this petal. Flower. Modified shoot develops from floral primordial. Primordia develop first into floral bud, then into a flower. Reproductive part of plant. Endoecium is male reproductive wall consists of stamen. Gynoecium is female reproductive part of flowers consist of carpel. Easiest way to remember gynoecium as a female reproductive part of flower. G for gynoecium, G for girl. So simply we can remember female reproductive part, and other endoecium will be male reproductive part, that is anther and filament. Male reproductive part, that is endoecium, whereas gynoecium consists of ovary, styli, stigma, stamen. Male reproductive unit consists of filament and anther. Means that stamen together consist of filament is attached to thalamus and petal. Structure of anther. Anther is bilobed. This is one, this is two. Sorry. Bilobed. This is first part 1, 2, and dithic. Thica means that first part, this is second part, and this first part is also divided into 1, 2, 1, 2. Bilobed dithica means one lobed having two theca. A longitudinal group separates the theca. In a cross section, anther is tetragonal structure consists of four microspongia, two in each lobe. Later, two microspongia of each lobe fuse as a pollen sac. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 microspongia. Tetra means 4, that is 4 here. Structure of anther. A microspongium is circular and surrounded by 4 layers. Already we have seen that it is circular and surrounded by 4 layers. Here if you see the layer, it is 4 layered. These are epidermis, endodermis, middle layer, and tapetum. Outermost layer protect the pollen and help in dehiscence of anther to release pollen. First layer is epidermis, second is endothecium, next is middle layer, and last is tapetum. Septum nourishes developing pollen grain, means it help in developing pollen grains. When the anther is young, a group of compactable arranged homologous cells called sporangious tissue occupy the center of each microspongium. Means when anther is young, a group of compactable means that matching, they have the same arrangement, homologous cells will come together, compactable, called spongious tissue occupy the center of each microspongium, means that this cell together come into the center of this microspongium. Thickening of cellulose, this is nucleus here, pore, grains of pollen we can see here, XII outermost layer, second layer is intine. Next is, thank you for today.